All right. So tell us a little bit about the experience so far.
Well, I first started coming here and saw a little ad on Facebook actually about the West Texas Wellness Clinic and knee pain, and I came in to one of their free seminars and got the information on that and got it and started that program for about 3 months. Then I went to a maintenance period, and back in September, I believe it was, they had another free seminar about getting stem cell injections to build cartilage back in your knees, and that was my big problem. When I went to an orthopedist, he said my knees joint was fine, I just didn't have any cartilage, so that was my main problem. And that's what I was trying to get back to, where I could get back active again. And I had the stem cell injections, and I didn't have any pain from the injections themselves, myself. And shortly thereafter, I could feel the difference in building up the cartilage in the knee joints, getting more cushioning in there. Because that's the previous therapy I was going through did a good job, but I just felt I was missing some cartilage still, some cushioning in the knee joints. So that's what I'm trying to get back to, and I think that's worked. One of the things I wanted to do back when we first started this therapy, they give you a questionnaire to fill out. Well, ask you what you do if you had a good knees again, I guess. And I went back, I thought, well, I used to ski a lot, so I wanted to go back skiing. And back 2 weeks, I'll go back to the mountains. I'll be skiing in Colorado again. So I'm looking forward to that. And beyond that, I'm going to be retiring at the end of February, so I'm going to have a lot more things to do on my own now. More free time to do things, and I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, feel a lot better. You feel up to doing a lot more now. Huh?
Yes, I like doing more active, doing more walking. So.
That's great. Well, that's awesome. Well, I appreciate